In this video I will tell you about the best trading platform for traders, so stay tuned. Are you a trader? Do you trade on a boring platform? Are you tired of the same basic trading platform? Have you ever wanted to trade on a ladder interface? Have you ever wanted to see the order flow for your scalp trade? If you answered yes to any of those questions, keep watching. So before we get into the specifics about the platform, this is what it looks like. This is my personal template, and I have included the things I wanted to use specifically with crypto trading. The best thing about this platform is that it is modular. You can make any sort of template you like, you can resize the windows and even change font and font size. The platform in question is Quantower, and it contains all the before-mentioned functions and much more. Quantower is a third-party trading platform that is designed for any traders, even non-crypto traders. The platform is integrated with more than 30 brokers, crypto exchanges, and data feeds. As I previously mentioned, Quantower is made for all types of traders. The platform has functions for stocks, Forex, crypto, options, and futures. On the screen you can see all the data feeds, brokers and exchanges you can connect to. So what functions does Quantower offer? Since Quantower is suited for any trader, it has any function a trader needs. On the screen you can see what functions you get with the different packages. As you can see, the platform's functions are enough to cover any needs a trader might have, so you won't have to worry about the platform lacking. Furthermore, the platform is updated very frequently with different new additions being added. Now that you know about the different tools, what is the cost? That depends on what package you want. If you don't want to pay, you still have access to some great functions such as account performance, level 3/ladder interface, time and sales, chart overlays. The bad thing about only using the free version is that you can only have a maximum of 2 indicators per chart. I recommend testing it out before buying it. Moreover, if you want to buy it, check out my referral link below.